Hey there, iPhone users. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a quick and easy guide on how to uninstall apps on your iPhone. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Accessing the home screen. First things first, unlock your iPhone and make sure you're on the home screen. This is the screen where you can see all your app icons. Step 2. Selecting the app to uninstall. Now, find the app you want to uninstall. Just tap and hold on the app icon until it starts jiggling. Step 3. Entering edit mode. Great! You're now in the edit mode. You'll notice that all your app icons have started jiggling, and a little X appears on the top left corner of each app icon. Step 4. Uninstalling the app. Tap the X on the app you want to uninstall. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you want to delete the app. Go ahead and confirm. Step 5. App deletion. Perfect. You just uninstalled the app. Keep in mind that some apps might leave behind data even after uninstallation, so if you ever want to reinstall the app, your data might still be there. Step 6. Exiting edit mode. To exit the edit mode, simply press the home button or swipe up from the bottom if you're using a newer iPhone model. And there you have it. The app is gone, and your home screen is looking more organized already. And that's how you uninstall apps on your iPhone, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time.